What's going on, guys? So today we're shopping for more essential items for the hurricane victims that were affected by Hurricane Melissa in Jamaica. So we're going to go inside, grab some rice, some cleaning supplies, and a few other things. Let's go. Yes, guys, so today we're at Walmart, and we'll get some rice and a few other essential items. I'm not sure exactly how many of each items we're going to get, but we're going to get something before we leave today, alright? Alright, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Seven, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 units. And we probably can get what? Them here? Yeah. A couple of them here. So 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. We need one more. Yeah, let's get some done. 20. So that's 20 bags of 2-pound rice. Yeah, so we're gonna get some more things on, so I'll go on based on the budget, you know? Based on how the money look right now. Yeah. Yeah, so we just gotta load up the car right now, guys. Load up the car. Right, so we have some sardine, mackerel. We have some gummy bears for the kids. Then we'll get some more candies. Same way. Yeah. We have rice, 2-pound individual pack rice. Yeah, man.
Hey, what's up?
Hello, shit.
How you doing?
Yeah, man. So we're gonna get some nail, some hammer, you know, stuff what we can use to rebuild the house, them and them thing there. So forward. So this have about 570 nail coming out. So we'll get about 3 pack of them here for now. Alright, so only 4 of them left in the box. So I'm just gonna get the 4 of them. So that's 4 hammer. We might need some construction hat, you know. Yeah, man. Cause work, me I go work, you know, people. Work where I go. Or rebuild the place. Yeah.